Hi folks, in this video I will walk you through the implementation process of analytics, how you can integrate it when you are using ReactiveSearch or build search on top of Elasticsearch using App-based.io. So let's quickly go back to our dashboard. Here I am trying to add an application which allows to record analytics when using best by dataset. So I have created a small sandbox which actually has some search component, and user can search on the data that we have uh, with the best by dataset. So here all you need to do is enable analytics whenever you are using app-based URL, and that will start recording analytics. So just to demonstrate over here, whenever I search on something and I select it, as you can see, an analytics request is made and it will record the analytics in the background. Now this is when you are not using reactive search API and using the normal mSearch API, but we also have a reactive search API which provides more security and abstracts the query generation from the front end. So in that case, all you need to do is just enable app-based, and this will start recording analytics in the background itself. You won't see any of the analytics request made over here, but actually it would be recording the analytics in the background. The other way to implement analytics is uh, by recording it through custom requests if you want to. So whenever you have your own application where you are not using reactive search but want to record the analytics using app-based URL, then you can use the REST endpoints of app-based API to record the analytics. For example, I will use a search analytics made over here. So I will just copy this curl request, open a terminal, replace the URL with the actual URL that we have, and we'll also copy the credentials. Here I will replace it with the index name and make a request. So as you can see, it recorded this analytics request. And also to just verify whether this is working, I will change the event data over here to Lakhan Mac, and let's see if that data is available in our analytics or not. So I will go back to our analytics. I will use custom event. I will use platform, and as you can see, Lakhan Mac is available. So you can use this endpoint to record the analytics. I will add links to the API in the description of this video. Now, similar to recording the analytics, you can also get the analytics data using various APIs that we have over here. Like you can get the popular searches, you can get the overview, you can get the no search results, and all the data points that we record. So just to give you a quick example, I will copy this curl request. I will replace it with the URL that we have. I'll change the index name to best by dataset, and we'll also add the credentials in the URL. So as you can see, we got the results. Now you can use these results to build your own dashboard, and you don't need to have any analytics system in place to record the data. Now this can also help you record some custom event data. For example, we added like the platform details over here. Similar to that, you can add the user email address, user session token, and any other user meta information that you would like to record with analytics. You can achieve a similar behavior using reactive base as well. So here what you need to do is add app-based config prop where record analytics is set to true, and custom events, you can pass the data that you want. So let's say I want to record username. Now whenever I'm making some search request, it must be recording my username as well. To verify that, let's quickly go back to our analytics. I will clear this all, and as you can see, now username is also recorded, and whatever custom data that we wanted to pass is available over here. So this is how you can record the analytics, and you can record custom events. You can use the normal endpoints of appbase.io to record the analytics in your backend, or you can also use them to generate a dashboard that you want to show to your users. Now when you are using reactive search, you have this analytics trigger analytics function available with various components which can help you record the analytics. So for example, I go to reactive list component, and here if you see, with render prop you get this trigger analytics callback which you can use whenever someone clicks on your data. The other advanced part available with analytics is recording it with different service providers, for example Google Analytics. So you can easily integrate this with Google Analytics and save this data on your Google Analytics dashboard as well. So for example, you can use the state provider component and you get all the change events over here. Whenever a component value changes or whenever it triggers a new request, then you get the changed value over here, and you can trigger a Google Analytics event and save that data. So that's how analytics can be recorded and measured. We have already covered how these analytics can be useful and how you can get insights from it. I will add a link to that video as well in the description of this particular video. Thank you.